Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good. So how do you say how are you in Pashtun?
Tsengayast.
Sengayast.
Yes.
And how do you say yes, I am good?
Manana Zashayam. Manana means thank you.
Manana means-
Zashayam, I'm good.
Yeah, I know Manaya. Yeah. The last time one Pashtun lady she passed, she said Manaya.
Manana.
Manana.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Okay, guys, today I am with Layusa. She's practicing for G2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you want this mock test or practic?
Mock test.
Let's do practic.
Okay. We can
Then-
do mock test another day.
Yeah, no, we can do mock test after this practice. We're gonna do 2 video. So are you ready?
Okay. Yes, I'm
So,
ready.
so when you check in inside, then you gonna come the car and you're gonna wait for examiner. When the examiner comes to you, window down, show your license, and then examiner is gonna check your license. It is you. It look like you or not. Then after that, examiner is gonna ask you press the brake, foot off the brake, right signal and left signal, and honk the horn.
Okay.
Then examiner is gonna ask you what's your name, what's your date of birth as well. And examiner is gonna ask you honk the horn. You know where is the horn? Honk. That's good. You know that.
Yeah.
Some people they don't know where is the honk.
Yeah.
Where is the horn? So, okay. So we are practicing G2 exam road. Where we are now? In Chatham.
Chatham, yes.
Yeah. So, why you choose Chatham?
Because
Tell me.
maybe it's easy to practice.
Yes.
Not crowded.
Yes. Chatham Road is just 5 to 10 minutes. The exam routes taking time 5 to 10 minutes. That's why it's good for us. So we make money for that. Instructors, most of instructors from Windsor, they bring the student from to here to Chatham. And yeah, because the most of students they prefer Chatham. The exam route is easy and quick and fast. For me, for the experienced drivers, doesn't matter. Place is any place, anywhere, it's same. Whenever you follow the rules, that's it. Let's get started. So first of all, handbrake down, then reverse. So, so the wheel, make the wheel straight. Okay. So we're gonna go this side. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Right signal. Right.
Bus is on the left and the bike is on the right.
Hello.
Oh my God,
Yes, yeah.
sorry.
So go back straight.
So we're gonna go this way.
No, we're gonna go this way, but okay, you are going back. Where you should look.
Okay.
Where? Yes.
Yes.
Go back. Go back straight. When you are half of the way or half of the line, then turn all the way right.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Right. Look at again. Look at again. Yeah. Leave brake. Perfect. Drive. Then go straight. Straight. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna turn left here and again left here. Go up a little bit. Yeah, left. Okay. So we're gonna go left again here. Okay. Oh, my car. Please think about my car. Okay, so check both sides here. Turn right before the sidewalk. So make sure the left side is clear. Look at the right side for pedestrian. Look at the left side again. Clear, then go. When you turn the first lane, closest lane.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Don't go straight. Speed. 50 here. Gradually speed up. So check both sides. Speed up, please speed up. Your speed is now 50. Eventually. So we're gonna turn to the right, not this street, the other street here. Turn right here. Slow down here. Okay. So we're gonna do parallel park for the blue truck, behind the blue truck. First of all, look at mirror, right signal. Okay. So sometimes blind spot no needed here. You're close here. Okay. So mirror to handle. Okay, because this is a big truck. Mirror
Okay.
to handle. So first of all, you can talk.
Okay.
Yeah. You can talk, please. Look at back.
Okay.
45-degree angle. What's your reference point here?
45 degrees angle?
Yeah, angle. Your reference point is to see the corner.
Okay.
Yeah, the corner of the car.
Okay.
The first corner. Then, no, only one.
Okay.
One turn to the left. So go back. So you're looking small mirror,
Yes.
blind spot mirror, and look at back as well. That's it. How was your distance now? It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Full.
Okay, now we're doing
Right or left?
to the
Yes.
no,
Full left. Perfect.
okay.
Then straighten the wheel.
Mhm.
Yeah, straighten the wheel. Yeah, maybe one more. Okay. Your distance is good. Your space is good. No need to go front.
Okay.
Then handbrake. Park. Sometimes they're asking me which one is first. Doesn't matter for examiner.
Okay.
Yeah. But some mechanic says handbrake first, then park.
Okay.
Yeah. For the saving the transmission.
Okay.
Let's go. But for exam purpose, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay. So you are looking mirror is late, blind spot is late, and you forgot your signal.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay. Go straight.
I'm looking at the mirrors and the
Yes.
blind spots late.
Yes.
It needs to be fast.
Yes. Yeah. Before moving, actually, you have to look.
Okay.
Thank you for coffee.
You're welcome.
Turn right. Layusa, she bought me coffee. I'm grateful. She bought me coffee because she wants me to teach well. If you don't buy coffee,
No.
I will not teach you well. Yeah, if I don't teach you well, you will not come to me. I know. Okay, perfect. So turn left here.
Okay.
Full stop here. 1, 2, 3. Check both sides. And turn to the left. Pull over. Right signal. Shoulder check. Here, shoulder. Yes. Make the wheel straight. Yes. So, okay. If you wanna get close is better. Yes. Okay. So, then let's do 3-point turn.
Okay.
Do you remember 3-point turn?
Yes.
Kind of, huh?
I just did it.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
okay.
All the way. So, Laisa,
Yes.
why you don't like signal? Drive. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a car coming.
It's far. You can do it. Yeah. If it is far, take it.
Okay.
Yeah. Feel the love. You see the sign? Yeah. Right signal. Right. Yeah. So Laisa, where you are going? back, right?
Yes.
Where?
I'm gonna check
Yes. Yeah. Look at the back, please. Yeah. That's it. Otherwise, if you back up so much, you will hit the curb.
that. Okay.
Yeah. All the way to the left. Left signal. Signal. Eliza, look this side. Look this side. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So turn right. Okay, check the blind spot for pedestrian side. Yeah, look at the left side again. Then turn. Okay, pull over. Okay, perfect. Yeah, your distance is good.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. So let's do uphill parking with the curb.
Uphill parking with the curb.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you gonna do first? Up, other side. Up is left.
Yes.
All the way left. Park. Handbrake. Perfect.
Okay.
This is uphill parking with the curb. So if you do this one in the exam time, it's okay. So if you wanna do professional way, you can touch the curb. You can touch the curb. Yeah. I mean reverse. Put it down. Yeah, your front tire can rest on the curb. Little brake, little brake. That's it. Park. Handbrake. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can touch the curb, or you can just full left and park handbrake.
Okay.
That both is fine for the exams.
Okay.
Let's proceed. Nayusa,
Yes.
noktayı kör. What does it mean? Noktayı kör.
Like focus on the little things.
No, noktayı
Oh.
kör.
Like the blind spot.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. You call noktayı kör, right? Noktayı kör. What do you say blind spot?
نقاط بنهان.
Nokati pinhan.
Yes.
This is Pashtun.
This is Dari.
Oh, this is Dari. Oh, Nokati
Pinhan.
Pinhan.
Pinhan means like blind.
blind.
Or
Pinhan.
hidden.
But in Farsi, noktayı kör.
Yeah.
Noktayı kör.
Yes. In
Okay.
Persian.
In Persian, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Also, we say in Turkish, kör nokta.
Oh, okay. It's the same then.
Same then, yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
I'm gonna check.
Nokta
the-
is in Arabic words also spot.
Yes.
French, they say angle mort.
Oh, angle mort.
Yeah. In Spanish, they say ponte ciego, and Portuguese also say same thing.
Okay.
And also I know Arabic as well. نقطة العمية.
No, okay.
Yeah.
نقطة الأم-
So
الأمية.
why I am focusing on the words.
Yes, because to check the blind spot.
Yes, please.
Okay.
the summary
Yes, I
of
know.
that. Check the blind spot.
Okay.
Okay, so I stop a bit. Take your time a little bit. That's so important. Then okay, go.
Okay.
After that, please.
Okay.
This residential area is 50. Yeah, and you can be between 40, 50 is fine.
Okay.
Yeah, at least 40 is okay. Turn left at the stop sign. Actually, I should learn in every language. What's the
Yes.
blind spot in every language? Yeah.
Okay.
I will ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, ChatGPT will teach you.
Yeah. At the traffic light, turn left. You are a little bit slow for condition. Yeah. This Riverside ice cream is very good. Ice cream.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, yeah. Can you buy for me?
Yeah, I will buy it for you.
Or if you pass your test, then buy for me.
Okay.
Not now, not now. So you got me coffee. That's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So guys, I got promise from Layusa. When she passed the test, she's gonna treat me and this ice cream.
Yeah, even if I fail, I will.
You gonna buy
treat
again?
you. Yeah,
Okay.
because
Check both sides. Yeah. So.
because then I can do better, and then I will go for my next test.
Yes. Yeah. Speed, speed, speed. So 50 here. So change your lane to the right. Mirror, signal and blind spot. And Chatham gas is cheap here, 140. In Windsor it was 150. Cancel signal. Watch your speed. Go back to drive test center. Change your lane to left. Cancel signal. So there's a rail crossing. It's coming. Look both sides. Don't lose your control. Okay, turn left. Yeah, good job. Good shoulder check. So there is one car is coming here. We're gonna turn left here. Okay, without stopping, just go. Here, go straight. So sometimes the exam is gonna take you left side, sometimes right side for parking. Let's do right side parking.
Okay.
Number 9. Okay. Drive test parking. Make it straight. Okay. Park. Or handbrake first. Handbrake and park. Okay. So we are done for one exam route practicing. So it's total time actually how many? Yeah, it's like around 10 minutes. So exam is gonna be take so much a bit quick.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, so we have done one practical route practice. So you're in general you are slow.
Okay.
Yeah, you are slow, and you have to be a little bit fast.
Faster?
Yeah, faster. In the residential area, it's around 40, 50 is okay in residential area because very short distance. In the main road, it's 50.
Okay.
Yeah. So changing lane, you do by yourself. Then examiner is gonna give you instruction. Go to drive test center, change your lane back. After rail crossing, check the rail crossing. Then after passing rail crossing, enter the turning lane.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please support us. We have a thanks button there as well. You can send us your thanks, and then also subscribe our channel and support us, please. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.
Have a great day.
Thank you.